In this video, I will guide you how you can add a collection list slider into your Shopify store. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply click on these three dots and make sure to duplicate your particular theme, because sometimes some kind of error or glitches can occur, so you need to make sure to have a backup copy of your theme. Then click on the edit code and this will take you to your code editor of your particular theme. Now what you need to do is to simply click on this add section in the section tab and make sure that it is liquid, and you need to now click on the link in the description below, and this will open up the Google Docs file. So you need to first copy the name and paste it into your section file name and then click on the done button. After that, you just need to go back and make sure to copy this code now. To make sure to do this until the very end. Once you have copied the code, you can now go back and make sure to replace it and click on the save on the top right corner. Now once you have saved this, you can now click on the three dots and click on the customize theme. This will take you to your theme editor, where you need to click on the add section into your left side in the templates. Click on add section and now you can either search for it or you can scroll down and you will have the collection slider. So simply click on this and this will gonna add it right on the bottom of your page. You can customize it according to your will, but for now let's just take it as an example and click on the collection and click on select collection. Now you need to select your particular collection that you have created. Once you are done, click on the select on the bottom and you are good to go. Now this will gonna appear differently according to the theme that you are using, so you need to keep that in mind. So that's the way of how you can add collection slider into your Shopify store.